Hello, I'm in a 2012 Chevy Cruze, and today I'm going to show you how to adjust your date and time. So first, to start the vehicle, so this is all powered up, and then you'll use this power button to turn on your interface. And then from here we'll push clock, and then here we can scroll to whether you want your time or date or any of these other options. And to do the time, we'll go here and then push select. And then from here we can change the hours up or down. Push again to go to minutes, and then same up or down. And push again, and then here for your date, same process. So just click this, and then you can go up or down for your year, your month, and your day of the week. And if you want to display 24-hour time, you can here, or just your regular 12 hours. And then you can change the way it displays your date as well. And that's it. And then you go back when you're done, but it just auto saves as you go, so no other changes needed. I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.